Initiating full power-up sequence.
Well, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all. That is bad. Dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my brains into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friends! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye.
Right, bye-bye.
We're gonna go before he changes his mind.
Too.
Move along, my friends.
Yeah.
Listen carefully and remember. A brand new flight. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
You.
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Oh, watch it. Chewie thinks flying this thing will be easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. It's harder than it looks. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Drew is right. If we need them back, they may find the resistance. He's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have held the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my honest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Estaríamos esperando.
Yeah.
¿Cuántas veces chocamos? 1450.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Light support failure. Okay, that's something.
Estuvimos en la chingada.
Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu.
Sana y sana.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way.